Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video is number 2 of 3, and this is now the i-ching, but casting with coins. This is probably the easiest method, I think, and maybe one of the quicker ones. So what you need to do, you need to get yourself a copy of this, which is the Ultimate I-ching by Antony Cummins. You get yourself some paper, get 2 markers, always get a black and red one, and obviously you want to get yourself 3 coins. Make sure the coins are the same size. If you have the Chinese coins, obviously that's probably ideal. But if you don't, just get yourself 3 normal coins. So here we go. We've got the Ultimate I-ching by Antony Cummins. You can follow along if you go to page 64. And at the bottom here, casting with coins. Okay. So now when we cast with coins, I'm using 3 just normal English coins. You can obviously use the Chinese ones, the ones with these square holes in it. Fun fact, the hole in the Chinese is the earth, which is yin, and the circle of the actual roundness of the coin is yang, which is the heavens above. Okay, again, that's in the book. That's there, fun fact there. But now we need to distinguish a heads and a tails numerical value. And the way that we do this now is heads, which is yang. Let me double check that. Yeah, heads is yang, which is 3. And yin is tails, which is 2. Okay. Now I've done something just to make it a lot easier for me. Obviously, you don't have to do this and that. I've done my head with a 3 on it, and I've done my tail with a 2 on it. Nice and simple. You throw the coins and you find out what the number is straight away. Okay, so we are ready to make our first coin toss. So here goes for the first line. Remember, we go from bottom to top. So here we go. First one. And you get your, there you go, I got a 2, and a 3. Okay, so as you can see, I've got 2, and a 3, which gives me a static yang line, which is the single line. Okay, now we go for our next coin toss. Like this. See, and I've got a 3, and a 2, which gives me an 8. Which is a static yin line. And that goes boom, boom. Now we do this up until we get the 6 lines. And another 7, which is our static yang line again. Okay. We keep on going until we get the 6 lines. And again, another 7. Number 8, which is the same again. We might get a mirrored one. And another 7. There we go. So that is our hexagram there. In the front of the book, you will find the hexagram chart. So obviously you go and you look for your one and you find where it is in here. So now I got the value of hexagram 30 over there. If you want, yours will be different, yours might be the same, you just don't know. But if you follow along on 173, it tells you everything about. That's why this book is mint, it's great. It tells you, it says it's got to read me first. So for this instance, I'll show you. The hexagram appearing on your casting means that you should shine a light on your thoughts and your intentions. Bring things into the open and let people see that you're about to do what you're doing. Now, for me, this hexagram is ideal because what I'm trying to do at the moment is I'm trying to sort of boost my career or change my career. I want to be a creative. I want to be a designer of some sort, and I'm really trying to push myself. I'm really trying to, and I am actually trying to come up with ideas to start my own YouTube channel. So this seems to be a perfect one for me. It kind of fits. Now, again, you need the book, you need some coins, you need some markers, you need some paper. Obviously, you need to read the book in its entirety. Obviously, first, read all the beginning bits. Antony teaches you how to do it, why you do it, and obviously how to formulate your question. So for me, I had no transforming lines. So this is a perfect sort of reading for me where it's clear cut, I know what to do. I can now go and just read and figure out what my next steps are. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I will do a part 3, which part 3 is 1 coin and 1 dice. Again, it's probably the most modern, I think, of the times, but the best one for me is Yarostalk method, which you'll be able to, we'll put the link up somewhere and you can follow along with that. So that was the Yarostalk method. This is the coin method, 3-coin method, and we will do the coin and the dice method next. So make sure you like, subscribe, and give us a comment on what your hexagram was. See you later.